In this video, we're going to look at sequences and a particular type, arithmetric sequences. Sequences are simply a listing of numbers, and the numbers are, each number is the term. So this is our first term, second term, third term, fourth term. If those terms have a difference between them of the same amount, difference here is 5, difference here is 5, difference here is 5. This particular kind of sequence is called an arithmetric sequence. And that difference between them is called the difference. And if that difference is always the same, it's arithmetric. Now, suppose they want to find the 20th term in this sequence. We have a formula we can use. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1, where n is the number of the term we're speaking about, times the difference. A sub n, a sub 1. Let's see what happened. A sub 20 would be equal to a sub 1. The first term is 5, plus the number of term I want, the 20th, subtract 1, times the difference. The difference here is 5. So a sub 20 is equal to 5 plus, that's 19 times 5, that's 95. So a sub 20 would equal 95. Sometimes instead of doing it like that, it's nice to find what's called the nth term by using a general concept. We use the same formula, a sub n plus equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. But we leave the n's in because we want the general one. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1, that's 5, plus n minus 1, leave the n's in, times the difference, which is 5. Use that distributive law. This is 5n minus 5. And simplify it. 5 minus 5 is 0. So a sub n is equal to 5n. What it's saying, you want to find any term, the value of that term will be 5 times the number of term. 20th term is 5 times 20, it's 100. We didn't finish that right here. We said 5 plus 95 is 100, so the a sub 20 is equal to 100, folks. Sorry about that. And let's take another problem now. Let's take this one. What's the difference here? It's arithmetric. Now the difference is, yeah, that's right, you're taking away 2 each time, so the difference is negative 2. Want to find the 20th term? We use a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n, a sub 20, is equal to a sub 1, that's 12, plus n minus 1, that's 20 minus 1, times the difference, which is negative 2. This would be 12 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 times negative 2 is negative 38. So we want to add these two integers together, and we're going to get a sub 20 is equal to 26, negative 26. So let's now do it with that idea of the general term. A sub n is equal to a sub 1, which is 12, plus n minus 1 times the difference, which is minus 2, negative 2. Let's see what happens. Negative 2 times n is negative 2n. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. So it's 12 plus a negative 2n plus 2. See, 12 plus 2, that's 14. 14 minus 2n. So we say that's the general term here. Let's just check it out and see if it worked out. Let's do our 20th term. A sub 20 would equal 14 minus 2 times the 20th term. 14 minus, this would be 40. And 14 minus 40 is equal to 26, negative. So there's another way to find that general term. Hope that helps you out, and as always, have a very happy day.